What's the meaning of affectation? Affectation. 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 Affectation refers to behavior that is not genuine or natural, but rather is adopted in an exaggerated or insincere way in order to impress others or to appear more sophisticated or stylish. It is an artificial and often pretentious mannerism or attitude that is typically used to mask one's true feelings or personality. The result of affectation is often a lack of authenticity and sincerity, and it can lead to social awkwardness or even ridicule. People who engage in affectation are sometimes viewed as superficial or insincere, and their behavior may be seen as annoying or off-putting.